will not stick on your pan. We bought those paper, parchment paper, or put oil on it. And then we have to flip it, the chicken, about, as soon as you put it, about 20 minutes before it's gonna start drying or coming out the oil. We're gonna flip it right away while it's still moist at the bottom of the chicken, moist, so that it's easy to flip while it's air fried or baking, something like that. And then when the bottom, of course, is gonna be crispy, turn into crispy or brown, we're gonna flip it again so that the other side of the chicken wings, it's gonna get brown or crispy. So that's the technique. We keep on flipping it maybe every 20